This is Eric with Mother.com. It is February 18th, 2020. It is the beginning of the week, even though it's a Tuesday. Yesterday was a public holiday. And what I want to discuss is Apple right now, which is gapping down, trading at about 317. Now keep that number in mind, down about 7 to 8%. And I want to show you what the charts look like from a weekly perspective, because I believe this can be a good guide as to where the market, the general market, wants to go. And it is actually very simple. We can see here over the last 2 weeks, the prior 2 weeks, the market had broken out right there and there was a follow through. So that was a good breakout as far as Apple is concerned. And the number it was moving above was 317.98, which means it needs to move back above this number for this breakout to be intact. It's another way of saying that if we end up seeing a failed breakout as far as Apple is concerned, it might actually be a red flag as to the market's general trend in the short term. So a failed breakout on the weekly, in other words, staying below 317.98 could be a red flag. And visually, it's similar to this area here, where we had a failed breakout as of late 2018. The market did pull back from that area. You can see here, failed breakout. And because of that failed breakout, we can see that the market did roll over, and also so did Apple. So we can use the current breakout attempt as a gauge into the market's health. So if the market is healthy, then Apple does need to hold and move above 117.98. Otherwise, if it is unable to do so, it might be indication that the general market is going to roll over also. One of the things that is working in favor of Apple is the fact that the RSI is holding above 69.1. So that is in the stock's favor in terms of continuing with its uptrend. As long as it is above 69.1, that remains that those are the odds that price might also move high. Now keep in mind the last couple of pullbacks have come with RSI 69.1 rejection here. So you can see the RSI 69.1. It is also an area of negative divergence because we see a price breakout with declining strength. We also see an area here where we have another period of RSI 69.1 rejection, which is this area here. And we get this shallow pullback, a pullback nonetheless. So if Apple is eventually going to see a big drop, it would have to move back below RSI 69.1, and that might take some energy to do so. But back to the purpose of this video, and the point of this video is the breakout level. Bulls need to see Apple recapturing this level, and I've been bulls in the general market also. Otherwise, failure to hold this price might begin the slide in the general market also. Let me leave you with a quote here for the general market and also see where Apple is trading. Otherwise, in my opinion, that can be used as a guide to tell how things are going to shape up as we go into the next couple of days and weeks. This is Eric with Mother.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings.